Okay, students, welcome back. So let us do a question on problem on system wage payments. This only would be asked in exam. Okay, so mostly will be asked what Halsey and Rowan plan. So we have done several problems yesterday in previous class. In second question he asked you to find out what piece rate. In the third question he asked you to find out actual time. In one more question he asked you to find out what first question standard time we found out, and what piece rate also we found out. Okay, now in today's question we have to find out what actual standard time rate we have to find out. Yes, we have to find out time rate. So let us read question number 2. What he says: a worker under the Halsey method of remuneration has a day rate of rupees 120 per week of 48 hours plus, not plus, till here we'll read. What is saying? A worker is working and is getting a remuneration under Halsey method per week. He is saying rupees 120 per week. He is saying 48 hours he worked. Okay, in a week he worked how many hours? 48 hours. Next he says plus a cost of living bonus of rupees 1 per hour worked. He's saying, and extra bonus is getting. Which bonus? Living bonus. This living bonus will be paid by the management to the employee. Okay, the extra bonus is getting living bonus. He's given an 8 hours task to perform. So 8 hours is standard time, which he accomplishes in 6 hours. Now you'll get doubt, sir, how can you are saying this 8 hours is standard time? What he's saying, he's given an 8 hours task to perform. He is given means what? The company is giving the time. The company is giving the time. Whenever he is given an 8 hours task to perform, it means it is a standard time. Okay, and next, whenever in the question he says which he accomplishes, which it means it is actual time. So we have here standard time, we have actual time. What he says, he is allowed as 30% of the time saved as premium bonus. What would be? We can make it as 50 instead of 30. We can make it as 30. Okay, 17 into 5 plus 6, 23. The 30% we can give, right? Wait, let me check. 30 or 20%. 30% into 5. 5 into 30%. 1.5. We can do 50 or 30%. In the question he says 30%, we'll take 30%. Okay, no issues. But in Halsey we have to take 50%. But in Halsey we have to take 50%. Okay, in the question it is 30%. In exam if he says 30%, you take 30%. But he is asking you to calculate wages in Halsey method. Then it will be 50%. Okay, correction. Next, what would be his total hourly rate of earnings, and what difference would it make if he was paid under Rowan plan? So he is asking you to, it's very simple. First you have to find out our time rate. First thing, because time rate, see in the question it is not given time rate. First you have to find out. Next you have to find out wages based on Halsey, wages based on Rowan. That's it. No need of understanding, getting ourselves confused. It's very easy. First find out hourly rate. Next you have to find out Halsey plan. Next you have to find out Rowan plan. That's it. Okay, so we can take help of 120 and 48. We can find out hourly rate. I repeat, we can take help of 120 and 48. We can find out what? Hourly rate. Okay, so I have done here. See C11 question number 2, hourly rate or time rate. We can say how to find out total wages divided by total hours. So total wages we have 120, total hours we have 48. So hourly rate we are getting 2.5. Easy. Yes, see here. 120 by 48. Amount total wages divided by total hours. Total wages divided by total hours per hour we are getting 2.5. Okay. So Halsey plan we are doing first calculation. Wages actual time into time rate plus bonus. This we know. So how many hours he is working? He is working for 6 hours. So I have taken 6 hours actual time into time rate. 6 hours into 2.5. From here I am getting plus 2.25. How I am getting bonus? I have taken bonus here as time saved into time rate. 50% of, in the question is saying 30%. Take 30%. No need. I'll see you have to take 50%. 8 minus 6 into 2.5. So 8 50% into 2 into 2.5. We are getting 50% of 5 is 2.5. Done. So total we are getting, he is getting 17.25. I am writing here. He is getting wages is 17.25 under Halsey plan. Next we have to give one more thing. What he is saying in the question? He is saying in the question you have to give living bonus. Excuse me. He is getting what? Living bonus. He is saying, right? He is getting an extra bonus, that is living bonus of rupees 1 per hour. He, how many hours he worked, that much we have to pay. So he worked for 6 hours. So living bonus 1 per hour, 6 hours he worked, 6 into 1 is 6. So 6 rupees. Sorry, 6 rupees. So total wages 17.25 plus 6 is 23.25. 23.25. Okay. So his total wages under Halsey plan. Total wages under Halsey plan is 23.25. Done. Easy. Don't see answer, book answer. This answer you will get. When you will get, you take this hourly this bonus as 30%. You get the book answer. 30. You do 30%. You will get the book answer. Okay. But what is standard? What is the formula? Formula in bonus for Halsey is 50% only. Okay. So take 50% also. When if the same is asked in exam for Halsey, if is saying you have to take 50% only. Okay. Correction mistake. Chali. You can do 30% also. You will get this answer. 22.50. You try, you will get this answer. Chali. Next we have to do based on row 1 plan. So I am doing based on row 1 plan. Roman number 2. Sorry, Roman number 3. Row 1. Premium plan. Okay. Based on row 1 premium plan we are doing. What is the formula for wages under row 1? Wages equal to, what you will do? Actual time, same. Actual time into time rate plus bonus. Okay. So actual time we have 6 hours into time rate is 2.5. We don't know the bonus. So let us leave some space and calculate bonus. Bonus equal to, what is the formula? Time saved divided by standard time into, again same, actual time into time rate. So time saved is how much? 8 hours minus 6 hours divided by 8 hours into actual time 6 into 2.5. Okay, actual time into time rate. Here we have actual time into time rate. Okay, now see calculation. 2 by 8 into 6 into 2.5, 15. So 2 by 8 into 15. So 2 by 8 into 15 we are getting 3.75. So bonus under row 1 is 3.75. So I am adding here 3.75. So 15 plus 3.75 equal to, do the calculation, you will get 18.75. 15 plus 3.75, 18.75 is what? His wages. Now we have to give him what? Bonus also. So living bonus same, he will get 6 rupees only, because under both the methods he is working only for 6 hours. So bonus, living bonus is 6 hours, 6 rupees. 6 rupees. Okay. So you add both. 18.75 wages. Wages is 18.75 plus living bonus 6. 18.75 plus living bonus 6. We are getting 24.75. Done. Got it. So total wages under row 1 is 24.75. Easy. This living bonus you have to add later. Here also we have added later. Living bonus 6 rupees. Here living bonus 6 rupees. Both the method it remains same because he worked only for 6 hours. Done. So under Halsey plan he is getting total wages 23.25. Under row 1 plan he is getting bonus of rupees 24.75. That's it. That's only he asked you to solve. Got it? Shall we? We'll move further. So let me write, this is page number 1. Are you people understanding? I am writing page number and I am sending pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, like that. If you have any issues, please ask, put in the message, group, put, if you have any issues, put that in the message. Okay, chali, this we have done. Second problem, I'll tell the pick also. So let's just move third problem. We'll do the third problem. What he says: a worker takes 9 hours to complete a job on a daily wages. So worker is taking, don't get confused now, and 6 hours on a scheme of payment by results. 6 hours what on payment basis. So worker takes, don't get confused by saying this is the actual time. No. Next, this is 6 hours is the actual time. Whenever he says on daily basis, job on daily wages and 6 hours on a scheme of payment by result, this is actual time and this is standard time. 9 hours is the standard time, 6 hours is the actual time. His rate is 75 paisa an hour. The material cost of the product is 4 and the overheads are recovered at 150 of the total direct wages. Calculate the factory cost of the product under Rowan and Halsey plan. It's very easy. We have done one problem, right? I gave a big problem. We solved a problem. Again, I'll solve you for you people. Okay, some students may have doubts, so let me do one more time this problem. Problem number 3. I'm not giving problems you to solve. I want you to make questions and solve it. Okay, I know, and you know how to make questions, right? Make questions and solve. So third one. So first we have to do based on Halsey plan. First we'll find out wages both based on Halsey and Rowan. Then we'll draw one format. In the format we'll find out factory cost as we have done in the earlier problem. So Halsey plan, wages equal to, the wages formula, right? Actual time into time rate plus bonus. So in this problem, what is the actual time? 6 hours. 6 hours into, what is the time rate? 75 paisa. 75 paisa means 0.75. Remember, whenever he says 75 paisa, you write 0.75. So we don't know bonus, so let us do bonus here. Bonus equal to, what is the formula? 50% of what? Time saved into time rate. Okay, so 50% as it is. Time saved is how much? Standard time is 9 hours. 9 minus 6, this is standard time, this is actual time, into time rate. Here we have 0.75. Okay, chali. So 50% of 9 minus 6, 3 into 0.75. I am writing the answer directly. I am not writing one more step. So 3 into 0.75, I am getting 2.25 into 50%. I am getting 1.125. Okay, 1.125. So plus bonus is 1.125. If I want, I can write this 1.125 as 1.13. 1.125, this I don't want to write 3 digits after point, so I can write this 2 as 3. So I have written 1.13. So 6 into 0.75, 4.5 plus 1.13. 4.5 plus 1.13. I am getting 5.63. So total wages is 5.63. Wages under Halsey plan is 5.63. Chali. Let us do under Rowan plan. So we know the formula. Same formula will write. Wages equal to actual time into time rate plus bonus. Okay. So actual time is 6 into 0.75. It will remain the same as we have written in the earlier Halsey Rowan plan, plus bonus we have to find out. I am finding out bonus here. So bonus equal to, what is the formula? Time saved divided by standard time into actual time into time rate. Okay, done. So easy. Time saved is how much? 9 minus 6 divided by 9 into 6 into 0.75. So I'm writing here directly, please. One more step I'll write here. 3 by 9 into 6 into 0.75. How much we are getting? We are getting 4.5. Okay. So 3 divided by 9 into 4.5. We are getting 1.149. 1.1499 means 1.5 I can take. I am taking 1.5. So here 4.5 plus bonus is 1.5 equal to 4.5 plus 1.5, 6. So wages under Halsey row 1 is 6. Wages under Halsey is 5.63. Under row 1 is what? 5.6 we are getting. Under row 1 we are getting 6. Now we have to find out what? Factory cost. So first format like this, particulars. First under Halsey, next under row 1. I have not drawn the format. I want you to draw format, proper format. To draw format I have to put the phone down on the paper. So I am not drawing. I am drawing in a rough. Like this I am drawing. So please understand. In a rough I am drawing. First I have to write materials. We know how to find out factory cost, right? Then we will write labor. What do we get? We get prime cost. Cost sheet formula we have to do. Format. Then we do what? Plus factory cost. Factory expenses we write. Okay. Then we get after that factory expense we add. We get at the last what? Factory cost. We get at the last what? Factory cost. Chali. Material is same, will be remain same. So third question, material cost is how much? See, 4 rupees. So in both the plants, material cost, waste cost will be 4 rupees and 4 rupees. Wages under Halsey how much? 5.63. Under row 1 how much? 6. So add 9.63. Here 10. So factory expenses, what is saying? Factory expenses, we take 150%. Overheads means factory. Overheads means factory. 150% of direct wages. So 150% on direct wages. So 5.63 into 150%. 8.4544 you can take. 8.44. How did I get this? 5.63 into 150%. Okay. In the problem he said 150% on wages. On what? Factory overheads. On wages. Okay. Same here. 6 into, you take 6 into 150%. You will get 9. You will get what? 9. So 9.63 plus 8.44. You are getting 18.07 under Halsey. Next 10 plus 9 is 19 under row 1. So you are getting factory cost in Halsey 18.07, in row 1 19. Okay, got it? Done. We find out what? Factory cost. This is Roman number 3. Got it? So first he asked you to find out factory cost. To find out factory cost you have to find out wages. Labor or wages both mean same. I'll write here wages. Labor, otherwise you'll get confused. Both mean same. So if he asked you in the question to find out factory cost, to find out factory cost we should know wages, and if you know the wages you can find out factory expenses. Similar problem we have done. So we have to find out first, if such question asked in exam, you have to first find out wages under both the plants, Halsey and row 1. Then you do what? Do factory cost, write for cost sheet format, material plus wages equal to prime cost plus factory expenses, overheads, factory overheads based on wages. All it will be always based on wages. So 150% he says 150% I have taken under Halsey. 5.63 into 150, 8.44, and 6 is under row 1. 6 into 150% is 9. So prime cost plus factory expense is factory cost. So under Halsey we are getting 18.07. Under row 1 we are getting 19. Okay, easy. Chaliye, it's very easy. We'll move for the other question. Next question is interesting. See what he says. Fourth one, last question for Halcyon and Rover plan. Then we'll go for different Merrick and Taylor we have that will solve problems. Next what he says. In an engineering work, the standard time for a job is 16 hours. ST is 16 hours. He says it clearly is mentioning standard time is 16 hours. And the wage is rupees 1. Basic wage is rupees 1 per hour. Per hour means this is standard time rate. This is time rate. Bonus scheme is instituted that the worker is to receive his normal rate for hours actually worked and for 50% for the hours saved. So whenever he says, this is important. Whenever it says 50% for hours saved, 50% hours saved means who is saying this? 50% of hours saved means who is saying this? Halsey. Remember, 50% of hours saved. Hours saved means time saved. 50% of time saved means who? Halsey plan. Remember, 50% time saved means Halsey plan. Okay, चलिए, got it? समझ में आ गया सर? Next, materials for the job cost is 20 and overheads are charged at 2 rupees per labor. Here it is an interesting point. Overheads. He is saying overheads are charged 2 rupees per labor hour. So how many hours he worked on that he have to do. This is important. Calculate the wages and effective rate of earnings per hour if the job is completed in 12 hours. In 14 hours, also ascertain factory cost of the job on the same basis. So he is asking two things. First, if the actual time is 12 hours, what would be the wages? If the actual time is 14 hours, what would be the wages? He is saying standard time is given. How much? 16 hours. He is saying if the actual time is 12 hours, what will be the wages? If the actual time is 14 hours, what will be the wages? Again, you have to find out what? Factory cost also. Easy, very easy. Chalo, let us do. And he says 50% of time saved, hours saved means what? Halsey plan we have to follow. So we have to follow which plan? Halsey plan. Page number same, C11, question number 4. C11, question number 4. Okay, see. So we know the formula, right? Formula for Halsey is what? What is the formula for Halsey? Actual time into time rate plus bonus. So in the problem we have two actual times. One is 12 hours, other is 14 hours. One is 12 hours, other is 14 hours. So we have two actual times. So let us solve first based on 12 hours. Our first actual time will be 12 hours. Okay, chaliye. We'll write 12 into time rate is how much? 1 rupee. 1 rupee. Plus bonus we have to find out. Bonus equal to, you know the formula, right? 50% of time saved into time rate. So 50% time saved is how much? See, he says 16 hours standard time. Actual time first is 12 hours. We are taking first as 12 hours. So 16 minus 12 into 1. 50% of 4 into 1 is 4. So 50% of 4 is how much? 2. So 14 plus 2. Sorry, 12 plus 2 is answer is 14. So wages, if he is working for 12 hours, he is getting 14 rupees as what? Wages. Okay, total wages. 12 rupees into 1 is 12 plus bonus is 2 rupees. If he works for 14 hours, what will be his earnings? He is asking. Means his wages. He is asking. Chali. 14 hours, same formula. I am not writing the formula again. 14 into 1 plus, we don't know the bonus. So bonus formula, I am not writing bonus formula. This are all formula I am not writing. Directly I am writing. So standard time is 16 hours. Actual time is 14 hours minus 14 into what is the time rate? 1. So 50%. 16 minus 4 is, what is how much? 2. Into 1 is, you will get 1. You will get 1 only, right? Yes. 2 rupees into 50%. You do calculation, you will get 1. Are you getting 1? 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 50%, 1 we are getting. So here 1 bonus is 1. 14 plus 1 is 14 plus 1 is how much? 15. Rupees 15 under if he works for 14 hours. Right? Now what he asked you to find out factory cost also. So factory cost, calculation of factory cost. Calculation of factory cost. So first which method? So format, let me draw format. First for 12 hours, next for 18 hours, 16 hours, sorry 14 hours, particulars. First for 12 hours, next for 14 hours. Okay, chaliye. First formula we know. First we'll write here materials, then we add wages, we get what? Prime cost, then we'll add factory overheads, then I'll write here as factory expenses, then we get what? Factory cost. Done. Chaliye. How much is material is saying? Material is 20 rupees. In both the cases material will be 20 and 20. What is the wages for 12 hours? 14. Wages for 12 hours is 14. Wages for 14 hours is how much? 15. So 20 plus 14 is 34. 20 plus 15 is 35. So we got prime cost 24, 34 and 35. And factory expenses, what he says factory expenses? Overheads. Overheads means how much? 2 per labor hours. 2 per labor hour. Oh my goodness. How many hours is working here? First here 12 hours. So here I will be writing factory expenses as 12 into 2. Why 12? He says 2 rupees per labor hour. How many labor hours he is doing? 12 hours. So 12. So 12 2 is 24. Here how many labor hours? 14. 14 into 2, 28. So 34 plus 24, 8. 58 is factory cost here. And here is 5, 3, 13, 1 carry. 63. So here factory cost is 63. Easy. So only one point is new here. What? He says 2 rupees per labor hour. How many labor hours? How many hours is working? 12 hours. 12 into 2. How many hours is working? 14 hours. 14 into 2. 28. Got it? So second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth is based on Halsey. Okay. One more question we have here that is not important. That is based on machine. That is not at all related for us. That's only for information for extra learning. Not required. Next, based on Taylor and Merrick. 1, 2, 3 questions we have having. 4 questions we are having. So next is what? Labor, Merrick and Taylor. I'll do. So next is Taylor and Merrick. So on this also I will try to solve some questions from here. Then we'll go for calculation of labor cost. It's very easy. Labor cost we'll do. Then we'll wind up this chapter. And more we have here. Many problems we have here. Not required. Okay. So next is Merrick and Taylor. Hope you people are all following what I am explaining. If you have any doubt, please put that message in the group. Thank you.